So have a look now at this episode of The Innovation Show where Adde Robotics are showcasing what robots can do in advanced manufacturing. It's just such an exciting space to be in Australia. We can produce things faster, more efficiently, but more importantly, more safely for the humans that work around them. We're really excited about robotics in Australia, and I know after seeing this, you will be too.
So we have the whole project's a central palletizer system, and we have 7 UR robots that are basically doing the case palletizing. Once the cases or the pallets complete, there's an AGV. They have a capacity of 600 kilograms, so they're a fairly heavy-duty pallet transfer conveyor. And there is a case aggregation, where the cases or the pallet travels through an archway with 4 cameras that read the barcodes and aggregate the pallet set. Then goes to the wrapper and gets wrapped, just a light wrap around the cases together. It then goes to what we call the shroud station. So that's a large shroud, a cardboard shroud that gets placed over the pallet cases. Then it goes to a labeler, a wrap labeler, which has aggregation data on it. So that's the aggregation of all the cases as a set of 28 cases. Once that's happened, the pallet assembly moves to the next station where it's strapped. The robot will take 2 corner boards and place them on the top for the prior to strapping. And then when that's completed, it's taken to the unload position, which is the node just over here. This has been complex in terms of the communications with all the various bits of equipment and also the design of the whole system. Whereas sometimes we'd have machines that are much more dense and a smaller frame. But this one has its complexities from scale, basically.
We hope you enjoyed that episode of The Innovation Show. If you'd like more information about ADDE, you can leave a comment in the comments below, or you can contact us right here at the Eastern Innovation Business Centre, www.eibc.net.au. Hey, a huge thanks to Alba Prime for going out and filming this and editing it for us. Until we see you next time, keep innovating.